banking for paying, shopping, etc. So scammers take advantage of it and they send fake messages. They may look real, and many people do not know how to identify these fake messages. Mostly affected people are elder people. So because they may not familiar with this digital technology, and sometimes students and busy working people also, they may click the link without checking it because the message looks urgent. So when people started to trusting these messages, they may lose their money, and also this causes stress and fear, and also they lose they lose trust in using this technology. So scam messages are not only a technical problem, it also a society problem. So because it affects many families. So next, JK.
So let me share you about how layers act as a solution for this scam detection. So layers is a machine learning algorithm, which works on the probability and Bayes theorem. So how it is trained is, it is trained based on the probability way. So it is trained on both the normal message and scam message. The scam message and common words like winner, OTP and click now. It takes all these words and it is trained based on these words. When a new message arrives, we have to check if it is a scam message or it is a normal message. It checks first probability of that new message arriving in. Then if it calculates the probability of the new message. If the probability is high, then it gives the output as the scam message and send it to the spam folder. And if it is not, it also give it as a normal message. If the probability is low, it gives us the normal message. So why Naive-Bayes is used as a solution is, it is used for high accuracy for training, and also for testing, and also for text analyzing. It is used as a simple and faster solution.
So like everyone said, there are many ideas to come against this process. Like let's imagine for example, now a man, he is a little bit elderly person, he gets a message that his account is being blocked. Now he became panicked, and also he was thinking that, oh, my account has been blocked. So now if there will be an NLP, that is where we use, if we use the NLP process, it will be getting that we can detect that it's a fake message or it is a scam message. So we can divide it into two types, like scam messages and also as a safe message. If a person gives a message that your account is blocked, that will be like a real bank. Now, for example, State Bank or Indian Overseas Bank, it will be separated. That is, for example, now it may be a scam message or else it may be a safe message. By using NLP or Naive-Bayes this, we can detect the messages if it is scam or safe message. So thank you.
Okay, so you stated about how that Naive-Bayes algorithm is working, so that will supports to classify the content of messages seems to be the spam or ham. So even while when we are considering about in the perspective of the natural language processing, so there we are having very good tools like identification of term frequency, and then inverse document frequency, and then identifications of the context-based studies based on the semantic analysis. That's especially by GBOW, that means continuous BOW, and then skip grams. So these kind of scenarios also supports to analyze the content, and then through by the neural networks concepts, reason, the CBOW, and then skip grams. So they are working in the neural networks models. So this will give the what will be the context, and then so what will be the next prediction. So what that message is going to do. So these kind of the predictions, that too also possible in the NLP to identify these spam and the scam images. So even though the Naive-Bayes is working with a probability based, from the probability we can able to be identify that context through by these of that algorithms, and then easily can able to identify that context of the messages. So if the user can able to predict that is the what is the context of the messages, and then this will help them to identify this message is a spam or ham. Okay, so thank you very much for your beautiful sharing. So thank you team.